This most often is going to be the culprit of the Sportster Clutch bomb. Happens anywhere between 20 and 30,000 miles, but these spring rivets just delaminate and start scoring your clutch up. So you can replace it with your stock assembly if you want to do that. Just know it will blow up every 20-30,000 miles. Or my recommendation is to replace it with a Barnett or a BDL extra plate clutch kit. 620416 is one option, and 620413 is another, so you don't have to reuse that spring separator plate. Get your springs probably gonna be pretty tired from all that wear, so here's a heavy duty one, or you can obviously get the OEM replacement. The thing people overlook is the pressure plate. This has obviously been spinning on there, so it's probably gonna be worn out down throughout there. And then don't forget, Sportsters require Sport-Lube, and just read your instructions whether you need mineral or synthetic. Two tools required for this job, just a spring compressor and then snap ring pliers. And then you'll always want a new primary gasket anytime you take off any gasket that's compromised. And if you are having issues with your clutch pull, like if it's too hard, definitely try one of these Mueller power clutches. Definitely won't regret it. Make your clutch pull a lot easier.